Have you ever felt stuck in life, carrying invisible weights that hold you back from love, abundance, or peace? What if I told you that there is an ancient Hawaiian practice that can dissolve those blocks and open the doors to blessings you never imagined? Listen carefully, because what I'm about to share with you is not just a technique, but a spiritual key, a key that has the power to unlock miracles in your life. This practice is called Hooponopono. Now, let me guide you step by step. Hooponopono means to make things right. It is about cleaning, releasing, and restoring harmony within yourself. And here's the truth. When you heal inside, the outside world begins to shift. The universe mirrors your vibration. So, if you want blessings, peace, love, and abundance, it starts with you. The practice is beautifully simple, yet deeply powerful. It's based on 4 sacred phrases. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Imagine repeating these words in your heart, again and again, like a gentle mantra. Each phrase works like spiritual medicine. Each word washes away negative memories, toxic energy, and unconscious patterns that block the flow of blessings. Let's break it down. When you say, I'm sorry, you are acknowledging that, even without knowing, you may carry memories, beliefs, or energies that create challenges in your reality. When you say, please forgive me, you are opening a door to release. You are asking for liberation from all those hidden programs that no longer serve you. When you say, thank you, you align with gratitude, and gratitude is the magnet of blessings. Gratitude multiplies what you already have and attracts more of what you desire. And when you say, I love you, you connect to the highest vibration in existence. Love is the ultimate healer. Love transforms everything it touches. Now, here's the secret. Hooponopono is not only about healing relationships with others. It is mainly about healing the relationship with yourself and with the divine. When you clean your inner world, the outer world shifts automatically. Problems dissolve. Opportunities appear. Blessings flow. So, how do you practice it? Find a quiet space. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. And begin to repeat, either silently or aloud. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Repeat slowly, with intention. Feel the vibration of each word in your body. Imagine that with every repetition, a heavy stone is being lifted from your heart. Imagine doors opening, light entering, and blessings flowing into your life. You don't need to force anything. You don't need to overthink. Just allow. Surrender to the words. Let them do the work for you. And here's something important. You can practice Hooponopono at any time, when you wake up, before you sleep, during stressful moments, or even while driving. The more you practice, the more you clear. And the more you clear, the more blessings you attract. Don't underestimate the simplicity of this practice. Many people look for complicated rituals, but often, the greatest power lies in simplicity. Hooponopono is proof of that. So if you want to experience a shift in your life, if you're ready to attract love, prosperity, healing, and peace, start practicing today. Start now. Take a deep breath, place your hand over your heart, and say with me one more time, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. This is the doorway to miracles. This is how you attract blessings. Remember, the more you practice Hooponopono, the more you cleanse your inner world, and the more blessings begin to flow into your life. Healing, abundance, peace, and love are already waiting for you. You just need to open the door. So today, make a decision. Don't wait for tomorrow. Begin this practice now, and watch how your reality transforms in ways you never imagined. And if this message resonated with you, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs healing and light today. Together, we can create a ripple of love and blessings across the world.